Hi everyone. Today we are going out and learning English together. Are you ready to go out? Let's get dressed. Wear your shoes. Put on your socks. Where is your jacket? It is cold outside. Button your shirt. Zip up your jacket. Comb your hair. Wash your hands. Bring your water bottle. Take your bag. Close the door. Turn off the light. Lock the door. Hold my hand. Walk slowly. Don't run. Be careful. Are you excited? Where are we going? We are going to the park. Say bye to Grandma. Wave your hand. Let's go. On the way. Look at the sky. The sky is blue. See the birds. The birds are flying. Listen to the sound. I hear a car. The car is fast. Stop at the signal. Wait for the green light. Now we can cross. Hold my hand tightly. Walk on the sidewalk. Don't touch that. Stay close to me. Do you see the dog? The dog is barking. That tree is tall. The flowers are pretty. Smell the fresh air. Is it windy? The sun is bright. Are you feeling happy? I'm feeling excited. We're almost there. Just a few more steps. At the park or outside. We are here. Do you want to play? Go to the swing. Sit properly. I'll push you. Are you having fun? Slide slowly. Climb carefully. Share with others. Say thank you. Drink some water. Take a small break. Wipe your hands. Don't throw litter. Put it in the dustbin. Let's sit on the bench. Are you tired? Do you want a snack? Eat slowly. Chew properly. Is it tasty? Look at the clouds. The cloud looks like a rabbit. Time to go home soon. 5 more minutes. Coming back home. Say bye to the park. Wave goodbye. Let's walk back home. Hold my hand again. Watch your step. The road is busy. Stay on this side. Are you sleepy? Did you enjoy today? What did you like most? The swing was fun. You played nicely. I'm proud of you. We are home now. Open the door. Take off your shoes. Keep them in place.